How to be committed.
Committed. How to be committed? Commitment is an agreement with other people. It's a transaction. You have a transaction. To transact, there is another person or another institution. So you have an agreement with them that you will deliver something to them as agreed upon because they are your associates. So if you want credibility upon you from them, if you want them to know that you are a reliable person, and then if you want others to depend on your words, then you have to show some degree of commitment. So what is not commitment? Triviality, frivolousness. These are non-committed behavior. That means you're moving out of your allegiance improperly without adequate information to other people when you move out of your agreement, because their decision making is perhaps founded on your behavior, because they believe that you have promised to deliver something as you have told them. That is commitment. It's when you are duty bound. When you're duty bound, you call it commitment. Otherwise, you are swayed out of the commitment with some rant of your emotions, or you are chasing your comforts, chasing your conveniences alone, discarding respect, honor to other people, discarding your own integrity. If you swing away, if you move to little itty bitty tender feelings, that is perhaps going to give you an immediate comfort. So then you sway because the other people are dependent on your delivery to them, because entire supply chain, everything is a supply chain. You are a part of a supply chain. So when you are non-committed, then the other people cannot move on with their works because they become compromised, because in the supply chain you have compromised from your commitment. See, they say the strength of a chain is its weakest link. So if you're part of a chain, and only when you're committed, the entire chain will work. So you got to be loyal to your own morality. Morality means an agreement that you have agreed that you will deliver these goods, you will deliver the service on time. You have made a promise, and you have made other people that they can found their decision making on your behavior. If you have conveyed to them that, then it becomes a morality, because then it's about loyalty to your own integrity. So commitment, it's about your duty, because the other people are dependent. So commitment is what gives you a personality. Then you're coming out of your little frivolousness, little severe tender sensitivities, that you will discard everything, reject everything else just because you are selfish, that you want to fortify your own personal interest, your own personal comforts. Then you are not committed. Of course, you can be committed to your development, and thereby you must be understanding and identifying your own addictions, where you are captured into, and you have a commitment to compromise on your addictions. For that, you got to rate your addictions. Maybe what you call as, oh, I have this kind of work to do today. I have to wash my car, and therefore I cannot help the person who's fallen on the roadside. So now you got to rate it, that your work that you have to do in your plan as you are washing the car, as major work or minor work or mega work or macro work or mild work or micro work, or minimum attention to be given to that or maximum attention to be given to that. So how much attention you want to give there. So you got to rate it on the scale of minimum, major, maximum, macro, micro, on scale and on your intensity, on your intimacy, so that you can identify where you are captured into. So you need to know how to sever yourself, how to separate yourself on sillier work that you have attending to, and to come to your commitment. For simple reason, in a transaction, the other person's assessment, whether you respect them, you honor them, is dependent on your commitment to the duty. because it's an agreement. So enjoy your commitment and dilute the where you are captured so much so that draws your attention, so you are not able to mature and graduate into proper commitment to your transactions. Your commitment can be graded, ranked and rated, and choose the right thing to do. Therefore, commitment.